Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sally Stampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am bringing you something completely different, something I've not done before, and something that's just been released this month, and that is the Stampin' Up kits. So we have two different sorts of kits. They both come in these beautiful paper pumpkin type boxes. These ones are the ones that require no stamping. So these are just going to be perfect for gifts, maybe even for someone new to crafting or a beginner. Get a couple of these in your basket and you will be making cards in a minute, and I trust me, you will be falling in love with these kits. I've got a few to show you. I haven't ordered them all, but it looks like I have, but I just think they are fantastic. These ones come in cling film anyway. So this is one that will require stamping, however everything is included in. So I love these. I think they're such amazing value and just so pretty and just such a great idea. So this is No Matter the Weather card kit. I'm hoping you can see the images there that are on these cards. I am going to make one or two up with you. As I say, as you can see, they are still completely sealed, so I am doing it completely off scratch with you guys as if you would be doing them at home. But you get everything you need. You get a block, you get your stamp set, and you even get a little what we call ink spot, stamping spot with the ink that you will need for stamping. So everything is in there. So, whoops, as she throws the stamping spot across the floor. So that is a stamping one, and that is, I've forgotten what it's called already, No Matter the Weather. Then we have, so these are the ones that require stamping. So this one is another for the guys. Again, just amazing. Look at those cards. And the thing is, you can have artistic license with these cards. You don't have to create them exactly the same. You can create them any way you wish. You can change that one to a thank you. You know, you can mix and match. Again, everything's in there. A block again, dimensionals, your little ink spot, and your stamp set. Again, just love them. And the reason I chose these ones just because they are my favourites. This one is You Are My Anchor. So again, another brilliantly bright selection, and these are, by the looks of them, small 3x3s. Again, block, you get some baker's twine with this one. Again, an ink spot. So these are great for picking up or getting new colours and realising that you need the actual stamp pad because the little ink spots just aren't enough. And your stamp set, again, just look at those images. Just fabulous. So another one, again, ideal for guys maybe. I like that one. And the last one I have, I'm sure there's a couple of others, and this is Sentimental Rose. So now this is one for the ladies. Really pretty images there, lovely cards. Again, block, twine, dimensionals, everything you need. Another different colour spot and another stamp, and look at the size of that. I mean, that is just beautiful. So yeah, and that one's a Mother's Day, so that's ideal. And as I say, we then have a couple that don't require any stamping at all. Or should I say, I have a couple, there are more. This one is Petal Notes. Can't even get it out of the box. And it just has everything in there that you need to create these cards. So you don't need to be stamping. There's no ink spots or stamp sets. There's just everything you need in here to create your card. How cute are those? And then the other one that I have that doesn't require stamping is, oh, I did open this one actually because I just wanted to see what was in here. So let me just grab this leaflet underneath. Oh yes, and this is Notes of Cheer. So really bright and colourful. Look at those butterflies. And again, everything's in here that you need, including some really pretty gems. So yeah, another non-stamping kit. like I said, these are perfect for beginners, new to crafting, somebody who perhaps you think would benefit from a kit or benefit from something to do, somebody who's crafty, you know, the list goes on, doesn't it? So which one shall I pick? So I'm going to do the butterfly, I think, and I'm just going to put these on the floor out of the way. Which one shall we have a go at? That's the Mother's Day one. I'm going to have a go at the anchor one, I think. I may do some of the others on Facebook Lives if I get time. So yeah, we'll have a look at doing that and see how we get on. So yeah, let's have a look then. So, Notes of Cheer, it is the one I opened. Everything is in here that you need. These are your little glue dots, so you'll see me using a roll of them, but they supply enough and some to make your projects up. So that is your glue dots. Then we've got mini dimensionals, which again you've seen me using on a larger sheet, but these are exactly the same, just smaller. Pretty gems. Then let's start from the back. So you have envelopes, so you're not even missing out on envelopes. Then we have, let's just see here what we've got. So these are sentiments, and as you can see we have them in French, German and Dutch as well as English. So that is just fab. Same again here. So again the sentiments in various languages, which is just brilliant, I think. I'm not sure what you're going to call those, but yeah, scalloped windowy type things. Those are our butterfly elements that you will just stick on. And then we have, crikey, going on and on, card bases. So card bases there. Oh, it's a butterfly shaped card. I didn't even realise. How cool is that? And then just a plain white. So grab your instructions, open them up, and they will literally show you how to make your cards. So simple. So let's start with this one then. So I know that I'm going to need one of those butterfly tops and one of these beautifully coloured bases. And I know, because I know, with the little hexagon shapes, I'm hoping you can just see them there, means they are the dimensionals. So we're going to pop 4 dimensionals. This isn't clear and tidy for my liking at all, but anyway, so we're going to pop 4 dimensionals on here, so 1 in each corner. Oops, they're stuck together. And then we're going to stick this onto here. And this is, again, I'm just doing this with you. I have not seen this kit in life before. I've not made these cards up, but I am doing it as if I was a beginner, new to crafting, following the instructions. So that's that part. Then I just need one of the little green sentiments here, and again it's telling me to put a couple of dimensionals on the back. So we're going to go and grab our sentiment here. Now you might need like a little pin or a pair of scissors or something with a pokey hole on it, just to poke these little circles out. Okay, so just get some scissors, or like I say, a needle or anything that you have to hand. Pop those out. Mine are just stuck. That one doesn't want to leave, does it? Come on, thank you. So a couple of dimensionals on the back of here. and then this sits across the bottom there. And then the last thing here, it's telling me to add some of the beautiful shimmery gems that I have here. Oh crumbs, come on. And like I said, this just shows how simple this is. Now again, you could use a pair of scissors for this if you wanted to. So I'm going to go for a large one here, and it does show you again on the diagram where to put the gems, and it also has a tape measure at the side if you need to measure twine or anything like that, which again is really handy. So I want a small one up here, a medium one there, small one there, and a small one there. And that is how quickly it takes to put a non-stamping card together. Isn't it lovely? And like I said, there's enough stuff here for you to carry on. Again, like I said, it shows you here how to create them. Really simple, where to put your gems, your sentiments, how to place these items. Just brilliant. And this is just an example of how all the kits are. As I say, they come with envelopes, everything else. Just truly wonderful. As I say, I will probably create some more of these on Facebook Lives. So if you want to hop over onto Sally Stampers and follow my Facebook, and I will make some of these cards up and show you how wonderful all of these kits are. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget you can buy these kits now. So if you're not sure, just below is the link to my blog, and that will give you the link to all the kits that are available. Have a great day, and I'll see you all again soon.